the straight arm pull down. So the straight arm pull down, we are going to use a flat bar or a banded version. I'll show you afterwards. So you'll take the flat bar and take a knee. So you're going to come down like so onto your knees, and then really feel this stretch position at the top, and then engage, so pulling the shoulders down, straight arms locked out throughout, and then coming back up under control. If you want, at the top you can actually lean your chest forwards, lift it up so you're opening up the chest, and then pull down. Really spend a bunch of time at this top position, so reaching up, letting the weight pull you, then engaging, pulling the shoulders down, and straight arm all the way through until you touch your thighs. Slowly lower until you're at this stretch position. Overstretch if you want to, and then obviously lock the weight down safely. If you don't have the flat bar or the cable system, you can use a band. So you can do the same setup, just grabbing the band with 2 hands and sink yourself back like so, pull all the way through. Engagement's exactly the same, shoulders depressed, straight arm, so your triceps are engaged. In this position, you may need to lean forwards to get a full stretch, but then pull the shoulders down, engage, and then do the movement under control. So that's the banded version, and this exercise is the straight arm pull down.